Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, I am Ananya and my aim is to explore this beautiful world and share the journey with you all. I am a normal girl living a normal life, and so on my channel you will find videos related to travel, beauty, food, dance, entertainment and whatnot. I request you to subscribe to my channel and comment down your thoughts which will help me to grow. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Today's video is all about Malaysia tourist visa. I will be sharing detailed steps of e-visa application process. Many of you would have already researched about e-visa, and in your research you would surely have come across this word eNTRI. But what exactly is it? Don't worry, I will tell you about this word towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. You need to have few documents with you before you start your visa process. So let's see what documents you require. Number 1 is your passport. Ensure that your passport has at least 6 months validity left on the date when you want to enter Malaysia. So that means on the date of your visa application, the validity of your passport should be even more. Second document is your confirmed to and fro tickets. That means your ticket to Malaysia and your return ticket from Malaysia. The third document is your proof of accommodation. You need to give a proof and the address of your hotels where you are going to stay in Malaysia. The fourth and the last document that you need is your passport sized photos. This is also the very important document that you need, for which the specifications are very clearly mentioned on the website. And your photos need to follow those specifications, otherwise your visa may be rejected. What exactly the specifications are, I will tell you later in the video. So collect all your documents, sit back and let's apply your visa. So before starting the process, let's see some details related to the e-visa. All the nationalities that are eligible to apply for Malaysia e-visa are mentioned here. These are the visa requirements and you can go through these requirements. Visa on arrival fee is 200 ringgits and visa on arrival facility is available for China and Indian citizens. There are few conditions which are showing on the screen, so you can go through them. Now as we are clear with the requirements, so let's start the visa process. First we will go to any of the browser and open Google, search for Malaysia e-visa and open the first non-ad link, which is the official website. Then we will click on I am new and the registration page will be opened. Here you need to fill your personal details such as your name, nationality, passport number, gender, your date of birth, etc. Then you need to fill your address and then the login details, in which you need to give your email and set your password, then click on register. Once you are registered, you will be redirected to the home page where we will click on returning user, enter your registered email, password, enter the CAPTCHA, then click on sign in. Click on apply now at the top right corner. You will get this visa type pop-up in which we need to select tourist. This is your application form. First, go through the requirements of the photo that need to be uploaded. You can see the details on the screen. Make sure the uploaded image is as per the specifications, as these requirements are very strict. Next, you can see the requirements of the passport's first page that you need to upload. Then enter all your personal details such as name, date of birth, phone number, gender, etc. Then select your visa detail and purpose of stay and passport details. Now you need to provide your accommodation detail in Malaysia, that means your hotel's address, and also your current local address, that means your home address. Then you need to upload the mentioned documents like flight tickets, accommodation and any other documents as shown. And make sure to go through the requirements for each of them. The additional documents required may vary from country to country. For people who are applying from Singapore and are Singapore resident, need to upload their PR or long-term visit pass documents. Once you upload the photo, Image Editor tab will be opened and you need to adjust the photo in the given frame. Once the photo is adjusted, click Confirm and Continue. If your photo is not as per the specification, an error will be displayed at this step and you can adjust the image accordingly. In the next page, your accepted photo is showing and just below it, the uploaded passport is showing, and you can check the guidelines and adjust it if required. Then click on Confirm. On the next page, please verify all your details and the photos, then click on Payment Method and proceed to pay. On the payment page, full visa fee breakdown is shown. Once your payment is done, you will be redirected to the list of application page, and here you can see the submitted application, application status, and you can print your e-visa and payment receipt by clicking on the respective action buttons. So this was the application process for your e-visa. There is also a visa waiver program available from time to time, which is called eNTRI. eNTRI stands for Electronic Travel Registration and Information. It is an online registration facility provided by the Government of Malaysia to facilitate the entrance of Indian national into Malaysia under the Visa Waiver Program. An eNTRI note will be issued as the proof of registration and is required to be present upon arrival in Malaysia. So that was it for today's video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. I will be more than happy to respond back to you. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to comment down your thoughts and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.